Hello! Today I'll show you how to never lose your wallet or keys again with this little technical miracle. You're in the right video if you've been looking for such a product for a while. Because SEINXON item finder cards perform exactly these functions. Today we'll install them together on both iOS and Android OS. Let's start using it and test it in real life. How it works, and can we really forget about Apfel-Airtag? Do you know what Apfel-Airtag is? In the last video, I unpacked this kit. If you want to see the video, feel free to click more from Techscrew. And here is the SEINXON Item Finder Cards Kit. My kit contains two different sizes of the Item Finder cards, Wallet Finder and a Key Finder card, as well as two USB Type-C chargers and a manual. As you can see, they are very thin, thinner than the well-known Apfel-Airtag. The best thing is that these cards are waterproof, have a built-in rechargeable battery, speaker and a blinking light. They have a nice matte finish, no fingerprints and a comfortable feel. To charge the Finder cards, you will need a USB Type-C charging cable, charger. Then just plug our charger cable into the clip type charger. If the LEDs light up, you know the charger is working and all you have to do is put the Finder card in it. The card has to be inserted with the metal contacts on top until the card hits the small plastic pin. If you see the red LEDs flashing after inserting the card into the charger, then you have done everything correctly. The small key finder card can also be recharged in the same way. Before you start using it, you should preferably do a one full charge. It's enough for about 6 months. When the batteries are 100% full, the charger light will switch from red to green. Disconnect both chargers from the cards and they are ready to connect to the phone. If you're using an iPhone, it's easy. Just hold down the power button on the selected card until you hear the beep sound. Open the Find My app on your phone, confirm all the notifications and click on Devices. Then hit blue plus and add another item. Once iPhone finds the SEINXON Finder, hit Connect. Create a name so you know where this card will be added. Give it an emoji so you can see it better on the map. That's it. Congratulations! You have created an item finder that has 3 options: direction in maps, play sound, or last mode. If you didn't get it right, here are the steps to do it. Slowly, without hurry. If you still don't get it right, write in the comments. We'll work it out together. I then attached this finder card to my grandmother's keys and gave it to her to walk around the city. In meantime, I searched on my phone where my grandmother's keys were, and apparently the system works and she will not lose her keys again. If you are using an Android OS, the procedure is a bit more complicated. Here are the steps you have to follow. Start by switching your chosen finder card to the BLE mode. Then, download the SEINXON app from Google Play. Register your account and add your chosen finder card. I put the card in my grandfather's wallet because he often loses his wallet. Then, he left in the car and I tried to see if his wallet was missing. But I couldn't see where it was. First of all, you have to take into account that when you are driving, you meet fewer people within Bluetooth range. Because all kinds of item finder systems work by communicating with other phones via Bluetooth. So, if you lose your keys or wallet in the woods on a lonely trail, there's a good chance you won't find your wallet or keys. If you use this SEINXON item finder with an iPhone, everything works great and you can easily find your things. But if you use an Android with BLE mode, there's a problem. Because Android devices with the SEINXON app installed are not that many. So the chance of finding your lost items is significantly lower than with an iPhone. But hopefully this SEINXON app will become even more popular and eventually the situation will be like using an iPhone. You can search for lost items using the speaker and light built into these cards. This is the most useful thing every day when you need to find your things when you don't remember where you put them. Then, with the power of this app, you can easily find them by sound. You can also use these cards as a remote camera shutter button if you want to take a picture of yourself when you leave your phone behind. You can also buy Wallet Finder Pro Max. which has a RFID blocking function, which will protect your card from accidental contactless payments. Technology is advancing so fast that these little helpers were unthinkable just a few years ago. But now, we can save a lot of time without having to spend hours searching for our lost items. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to post them below this video.